Finally, after months of patiently waiting, you get your PSA submission back only to open it up and find out that you disagree with some of those grades and think to yourself, man, I'd really love to be able to crack this slab to resubmit it for grading, but don't know how. Well, stay tuned, because in this video, not only am I gonna show you what you need to crack those slabs, but also how to crack them. If you stay tuned to the very end, I got a cool little treat of a card that I actually cracked myself and resubmitted in that grade reveal. Let's jump on in. All right, y'all, so here I got a Jackson Holiday card that I got graded from PSA, got a really low score, so I figured I'd take this opportunity to show you how to crack a slab for whatever reason you want it done. So all it really takes is a pair of pliers, flathead screwdriver, and really all you have to do is just crack the corners of the top. One corner. Two corners. And it hopefully opens up enough to be able to get the flathead in there and just kind of pry open a little bit at a time. Try and get each corner. And you should, now at this point, be able to peel it apart very slowly, and just be careful. You might even want to do this with some safety glasses. But voila, there we go. Now that didn't come out like super smooth, but nevertheless, here we are. We got a freed card, and for whatever reason it got a 6. I don't know why, but yeah, there it is. Oh, without further ado, here's that little treat I promised you if you stayed till the very end. So real quick, here's that little treat I promised you if you stayed till the very end. About 4 months ago, I sent in this 2022 Bowman Draft Chrome Jackson Holiday autographed. So here it was, my initial grade, 9, or I should say the first grade. And then we're gonna go back because I cracked it and resubmitted. And as soon as it pulls up here, we'll reveal these grades again. So it's not this one, but here we go. Little experiment. I have a few other cards that are still at PSA that I'm waiting to get back that I also cracked, but here we go. Boom, 10. So hey, you never know. Maybe that grader's having a bad day or whatnot, or overlooked something or saw something that maybe wasn't there. Who knows? I don't know. But there it is. Thank you so much for joining me today. If nothing else, I hope this video at least brought you a little knowledge and joy. And if it did, hey, give it a like, drop a comment, let me know what you liked, or if you have any questions. And stay tuned, because I have some real doozies coming down the pipeline. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be posting a link to videos I've already done here, or I don't know where. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Good to see you.